Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna show you how to build a PC at home. So we need some product like RAM, NVMe, processor, motherboard, and power supply. First, we unpack motherboard. Today we build Core i5 7th generation PC with 8 GB RAM and 256 GB NVMe. This is a motherboard. The model of motherboard H311. It supports 6 Gen to 9 Gen processor. Okay. First we check the processor box and we plug the processor. This is the processor, Core i5 7th generation. I'll show you the processor. And this is a cooling fan. Processor, cooling fan. First we plug the processor in motherboard. Very careful this part. Then attach the CPU cooler, processor fan. Fist. Before attach the fan, check the cooling paste. Then we attach RAM. This is a gaming RAM with heatsink, 8 GB DDR4, 3200 bus, 3200 bus. Then we need NVMe. It's a storage like HDD, SSD. It's a NVMe. Viewers, this is a casing. It's a value top casing with 200-watt genuine power supply. Now we attach this motherboard in this casing. First of all, we attach the motherboard bay into the casing. Then we attach motherboard. Now connect power supply in motherboard. Connect USB audio. This USB. This is audio. Connect motherboard audio and motherboard USB. Viewers, this is motherboard audio and this is motherboard USB. All connection are. And then now connect the main power switch, restart and power button. View carefully. This is the main part of PC build. All are done. Yours. First power switch, then power LED, then power LED plus, and then USB 3. This is a USB 3. So all connection are complete. PC build complete. totally complete. Next video will show you how to set up Windows 10 in this PC. Okay, thanks for watching.